Little storyteller.
A small gray cloud floated sadly in the big blue sky. His name was Nimbus, and he felt lonely because whenever he drifted over the park, the children would run away, shouting, "Oh no, it's going to rain." Nimbus wished someone liked his rain. His raindrops just wanted to give the thirsty flowers and trees a drink. One sunny morning, a little girl with bright, rosy cheeks and a cheerful smile walked into the park. She carried a big umbrella that was the color of sunshine. Her name was Lily. She saw Nimbus hovering above, looking glum. The fluffy white clouds nearby seemed to giggle as they floated past. Lily felt sorry for Nimbus. She opened her yellow umbrella and waved up at him. "Hello," she called. Nimbus was surprised. Usually people frowned at him. He let out a little shower of rain, just a tiny sprinkle. The raindrops landed on Lily's yellow umbrella with soft pitter-patters. She giggled. "Your rain is nice," she shouted up to Nimbus. The flowers were looking very thirsty. Just then, a little ladybug with bright red spots landed on a daisy. The daisy perked up as a raindrop touched its petals. Nimbus felt a warm feeling inside, like sunshine peeking through the clouds. He let out a little more rain. Lily twirled her yellow umbrella as the raindrops danced around her. A fluffy brown bunny hopped out from under a bush and started to drink the water puddling on a large green leaf. Soon other children saw Lily playing happily in the gentle rain under her bright yellow umbrella. They realized that the rain wasn't scary after all. Some of them even put on their own colorful raincoats and boots and joined Lily. They splashed in the puddles and laughed. Nimbus watched from above, his gray color softening to a lighter shade. He was no longer lonely. His rain was making everyone happy. Lily looked up and smiled at Nimbus. "Thank you for the rain," she called. Nimbus felt a happy rumble in his cloud tummy. As the sun began to peek out from behind the clouds, Nimbus's rain slowed down and then stopped. A beautiful rainbow arched across the sky, its colors bright and cheerful. The children gasped in wonder. Lily pointed at the rainbow. "Look, Nimbus, you made a rainbow." Nimbus felt so happy. He learned that, even though he was different, his rain was important and could bring joy. Lily and her new friends learned that sometimes, what seems a little gloomy can actually be wonderful. And every time it rained after that, the children in the park would smile and remember the day they played with the friendly rain cloud. Nimbus, did you know that rainbows appear when sunlight shines through raindrops? It's like magic.
Please subscribe. Thank you.